Get ready to explore the heart of Mexico City, where ancient ruins meet vibrant markets and pyramids stand taller than your vacation selfie stick. From cruising through the canals of Xochimilco to scaling the Pyramid of the Sun, with fewer gym regrets than expected, this city will leave you breathless in the best way possible. So grab your sunscreen, maybe some chapulines for a snack, and let's dive into Mexico City's wildest adventures. Number 10. Mercado de la Merced, a feast for the senses. Starting our journey through Mexico City, Mercado de la Merced is the largest traditional market in the city. It offers an overwhelming sensory experience with its colorful stalls filled with everything from fresh produce to dried chilies, exotic spices, and unique Mexican ingredients. La Merced is also home to some of the most authentic street food in Mexico City. If you're brave enough, try the exotic Mesoamerican delicacies like chapulines, grasshoppers, and escamoles, ant larvae. Despite the hustle and bustle, it's a vibrant snapshot of everyday life in Mexico City, offering a look into its rich culinary heritage. However, visitors should be cautious of their belongings, especially during peak hours on weekends. Number 9. Zona Rosa, where the party never ends. Zona Rosa, the heart of Mexico City's nightlife, is a vibrant neighborhood in the Reforma district. Known for its electric atmosphere, it offers everything from chic cocktail lounges like Hanky Panky, where you can sip on creatively crafted drinks, to energetic clubs like Versailles 64, where the dance floors are packed till dawn. The area's inclusive vibe makes it a popular spot for both locals and tourists, especially within the LGBTQ+ community, who flock here for its welcoming ambience and flamboyant nightlife. Come the weekend, Zona Rosa transforms into a bustling party hub with music echoing through the streets, bars buzzing with excitement, and nightclubs that keep the city alive into the early hours of the morning. Whether you're looking for a laid-back evening or a wild night out, Zona Rosa guarantees an unforgettable experience. Number 8. The Floating Gardens of Xochimilco, a unique historical experience. A trip to Mexico City wouldn't be complete without experiencing the Floating Gardens of Xochimilco. Known as the Venice of Mexico, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is famous for its chinampas, floating gardens that were ingeniously created by the Aztecs for agriculture. Today, Xochimilco has evolved into a lively tourist spot where visitors can hop on trajineras, brightly colored gondola-style boats, to cruise through the tranquil canals. The festive boat rides are often accompanied by live mariachi music, local food vendors selling traditional snacks, and plenty of drinks to keep the party atmosphere going. Weekends are the best time to visit, as the canals come alive with families and friends celebrating birthdays, weddings, and other events, making it a true cultural and social experience. As you float through the gardens, you're not just seeing a beautiful landscape. You're stepping into a centuries-old tradition that uniquely blends history, nature, and entertainment. Number 7. Chapultepec Park and Castle, Mexico City's green heart. Bosque de Chapultepec, often referred to as Mexico City's lungs, is not only the largest green space in the city, but also one of the largest urban parks in the world. Spanning over 1,600 acres, it offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The park is a treasure trove of activities, with lush walking trails, serene lakes where you can rent paddle boats, and even picnic areas perfect for a relaxing afternoon. One of its key attractions is Chapultepec Castle, perched majestically atop a hill. This former residence of Mexican royalty now houses the National Museum of History, where visitors can explore its richly decorated rooms, magnificent gardens, and exhibits detailing Mexico's past. Beyond the castle, Chapultepec Park is home to a zoo, botanical gardens, and several museums, including the National Museum of Anthropology, making it an ideal spot for both history buffs and nature lovers alike. Families, in particular, will appreciate the park's wide array of activities, from leisurely boat rides to exploring interactive exhibits at the Children's Museum. Number 6. Palacio de Bellas Arts, Mexico City's cultural jewel. The Palacio de Bellas Arts is not just an architectural marvel, but also the beating heart of Mexico City's cultural scene. Its stunning Art Nouveau exterior, paired with the elegant Art Deco interior, makes it one of the most visually striking landmarks in the city. This cultural hub hosts some of the most prestigious events in Mexico, from performances by the National Opera and Ballet to world-class concerts and art exhibitions. Beyond its performances, the palace is home to incredible murals by iconic Mexican artists such as Diego Rivera, whose work Man at the Crossroads is a highlight. Art lovers can also explore the on-site Fine Art Museum, which regularly features both Mexican and international exhibitions. Whether you're attending a live performance or simply marveling at the breathtaking design and artwork, the Palacio de Bellas Artes offers an unparalleled cultural experience in Mexico City. Additionally, don't miss the panoramic views of the city from the palace's rooftop, a perfect spot for photography enthusiasts. Number 5. Frida Kahlo Museum, La Casa Azul. For art lovers and admirers of Frida Kahlo, La Casa Azul in Coyoacán is a must-visit. This was the artist's childhood home and where she lived with her husband, Diego Rivera. Now a museum, it offers an intimate look into Kahlo's life, showcasing her personal belongings, artworks, and the lush garden she cherished. The museum also highlights her complex relationship with Rivera and her struggle with physical pain, providing deeper insight into her iconic art. The surrounding neighborhood of Coyoacán is just as charming, filled with cobblestone streets, markets, and beautiful plazas. Number 4. Museo Sumaya, a modern architectural wonder. Museo Sumaya, founded by billionaire Carlos Slim, is an architectural marvel and a cultural gem nestled in the chic Polanco district. Its iconic exterior, made of 16,000 hexagonal aluminum tiles, is instantly recognizable and stands as a symbol of contemporary design. Inside, the museum houses a vast collection of over 66,000 pieces, ranging from pre-Hispanic relics to timeless European masterpieces by artists like Rodin, Dali, and Picasso. The museum's 6 floors of exhibits include everything from Mexican folk art to Renaissance paintings, ensuring that visitors experience a diverse range of art spanning centuries and cultures. Not only is the art impressive, but the fact that admission is free makes it accessible to all, offering a world-class art experience at no cost. The museum's sleek, futuristic design alone is worth the visit, and the panoramic views from the upper floors offer a breathtaking glimpse of the city's skyline, making it a favorite spot for both art lovers and architecture enthusiasts alike. Number 3. Teotihuacan, the City of the Gods. Located just outside Mexico City, Teotihuacan is an ancient Mesoamerican city that dates back to around 100 BC. It's home to the famous pyramids of the Sun and Moon, which once formed the heart of this vast and powerful city. Climbing the Pyramid of the Sun, the third largest pyramid in the world, offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Visitors can also explore the Avenue of the Dead and various temples that provide insight into the lives of the ancient civilizations that once thrived here. For a truly unforgettable experience, take a hot air balloon ride over Teotihuacan at sunrise. Number 2. Zócalo, Mexico City's historic heart. At the center of Mexico City lies the Zócalo, one of the largest public squares in the world. This historic square has been the site of numerous important events, from Aztec ceremonies to modern political demonstrations. Surrounding the Zócalo are some of the city's most important landmarks, including the Catedral Metropolitana, the largest cathedral in the Americas, and the Palacio Nacional, where visitors can view Diego Rivera's famous murals depicting Mexico's history. The square is always bustling with activity, whether it's hosting festivals, concerts, or the daily flag-raising ceremony. It's a must-visit for anyone looking to understand Mexico City's rich history and culture. Number 1. Paseo de la Reforma and El Angel, Mexico City's iconic boulevard. At the top of our list is Paseo de la Reforma, Mexico City's most famous boulevard. This grand avenue, inspired by European boulevards like the Champs-Élysées, stretches across the city, connecting numerous important landmarks. One of its most iconic features is the Angel of Independence, a towering golden statue that commemorates Mexico's struggle for independence. The avenue is also lined with skyscrapers, monuments, and cultural institutions, making it a dynamic blend of history and modernity. Whether you're walking, biking, or simply people watching, Paseo de la Reforma is the perfect place to soak in the energy of Mexico City. And that wraps up our tour of Mexico City's top 10 unforgettable destinations. Which spot was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Just don't say chapulines unless you like crunchy bugs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on more adventures. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's next.